So a DJ who knows me asked me the other day why I meet with my clients before they hire me. Hi, this is Bill, Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of the little show. Thank you also to my sponsors, Electro Voice, the greatest speaker company in the world. DJ Event Planner, a great CRM for DJs and anyone who's doing events. Promo only, I believe the best and only music service you should use for your DJ service. Disc Jockey News, a great place to find information on the DJ business and being better at what you do. And of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So, what do I say? What do I talk about? Why do I have those meetings face-to-face? Well, face-to-face meetings for me are mostly about me, what I want from my clients, the kind of people that I want to work with and for. I meet them and I get to know them because I want a certain kind of a person on my side when I work for them, which most people get. But the question is always, yeah, but you're going to meet with them. What are you going to ask them? As if there's a set of questions, a magic set of questions that get them interested in wanting to hire me. This is a short little program, so I'm gonna try to answer this as briefly as possible because number one, there's not a list of questions. There just isn't. You need to ask yourself, why would you want to meet with a client, or rather a prospective client? Why would that work best for you and your process? And once you know that, then it's easier to get to what you want out of the meeting. For me, I want to get to know them. I really want to know if they're going to be a good fit. I really want to know if the stuff that I have in my arsenal of talents is going to be able to create for them what they want. Well, certainly have to know what they want, don't I? I certainly have to know who they are. And I know that if I'm curious, then the questions will come to me. Are you telling me that if you sit across from a couple, you have zero idea what to ask them? Do you really think the questions you ask have to move towards the actual sale, or you're not going to waste any time talking to them at all? Because if that's the case, why are you even meeting with them? Why not send them a questionnaire, right? And find out if they'll be easy to sell. See, I need to know what they really want, because they certainly don't want a DJ. They don't. They do not want what we do. They want what we can provide because of what we do. And what we can provide is the thing that they want, which is happiness, peace of mind, a cool party, whatever that thing is, because it's not your stuff. It's not your gear. It's not your suit. It's not your smile. It's the fact that they believe you when you say they're going to have the exact thing they want for their party. And you can't say that unless you know. And you can't get to that unless you spend some time with them. So let me ask you this. When you have sat down with them, how much of you do you share? Do you just start right away grilling them, asking them questions? Or do you share a little bit about who you are? Not about your business, not about the music you play, or the fact that you're a DJ, or you've got all kinds of great reviews and great things that people say. Not that. Who you are, where you from, where you grew up, if you got a mom, if you got brothers and sisters, the things that matter to you. Are you religious? Are you not religious? Are you a bicyclist? Are you a person who loves movies? See, if you don't share something of yourself, they're certainly not going to share something of themselves. So who do you want to talk to, right? The person who's open with you, you expect that they will be open with you if you're open with them. But you got to be unafraid to do that. And you got to be unafraid to ask the kind of questions necessary for them to open up and share with you the most important thing about this day that they're spending more money on than they've ever spent in their entire life. So, is there a question? No. Are you curious though? Because if you're really curious, you'll ask the real questions and you'll find out what you really want to know. What you really want to know, what you really, really, really want to know. All right, that's what I got so far. I can probably talk more about this on another day, but today, that's it. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time.